So we've been on this boat tour for about 30 minutes now, and it's been absolutely breathtaking. You gotta turn with me. Look at all these like islands.
We're actually in Avatar right now.
This guy has the best pose. Yeah, look at this. Hell yeah. Oh. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
We're Philip and Kenzie. Born on separate ends of the planet, we somehow met and decided to adventure the world together. From post-meal siestas to pre-flight jitters, we'll cover it all and take you on a tour of the wonders this planet has to offer. So strap in because you're watching Go, Go, Go!
Let's go, bro. So sick. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I didn't realize Grandma was coming in. Where's our driver?
Who cares? He's probably passed out.
Our driver hates us.
He hates the world.
He's just upset. I mean, I would be too if this was my gig.
Dude, but this is his job. Like, you know, you do your job, put a smile on your face, you're getting paid.
Call it a day, you know?
Get it, babe. Touch your toes. Oh.
Good, I'm good. All right, let's go.
All right, let's do this.
I'm also really glad that we made the effort to make it out to Halong Bay, because last night it didn't seem like this was gonna be a thing. Didn't seem like plans were materializing, but now we're here, we're making it. We're coming for you, Halong Bay.
Actually, Phil made it happen, so thank you. The drone's going down.
Oh, it's totally going down.
It's going down.
I really hope it doesn't go down.
But we're like setting ourselves, we're setting the expectation so that we don't like get too disappointed. Don't sink the drone.
I'm not trying to.
The drone is not going down in Halong Bay.
Here we go. We're here at Halong Bay, just on one of these junk boats. Look at how beautiful it all looks. Are you kidding me right now? Mackenzie, are you still just eating protein bars?
Yeah. I can literally survive off of protein bars alone. Be totally fine. Except also greens. I need salad.
Salad and protein bars. That's what we're working with here. I've noticed that our boat is one of two or maybe one of three boats without an emergency dinghy. Makes me a little bit nervous, but we're gonna make it through this.
Fruit delivery!
We have a little fruit delivery. So we've been on this boat tour for about 30 minutes now, and it's been absolutely breathtaking. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Are you kidding me?
And we literally owe it all to you, so.
We owe it all to the universe.
Yes.
Thank you, universe. It's all working out. Yeah, son! Get it! This is absolutely breathtaking. It's marvelous. We chose not to kayak. Instead, we have this beautiful young woman rowing us to glory. Ah, what a life we live. It's amazing. You thought we weren't gonna make it to Halong Bay.
I don't know, you guys. We were literally getting food at like 1 in the morning and things were looking pretty grim.
A little bit, you know?
I didn't think we were going to do this today. Somehow Philip pulled it off.
We were so mad at each other. It was great. Beautiful.
It was not great, but we can laugh about it now.
Hey, when there's a will, there's a way. You loving it?
It's fantastic. I feel like we are in the Avatar movie mixed with Jurassic Park. Except I don't see any creatures.
Best boat operator in Halong Bay.
Our boat is lit.
Our boat is so lit. I mean, like, our junk boat is also lit.
Yeah,
Like,
we
got
met
it all.
some wonderful people.
It's time to take some shots
Oh,
of water.
I need some water. We're dorks. We're crazy. Are you a walrus? Are you a walrus?
No, I'm a man with chopsticks in my mouth.
No, I think you were being a walrus. Now what are you?
I am a very hangry young man. That's what I am.
Are you a bear?
I'm so tired. That's what I am.
Philip hates me right now. I just want him to tell me he's being an animal, but he's not having it.
No, sorry.
Are you a bird? What are you?
I'm hit with that. Hi guys, what's up? It's early, it's like 5:30 in the morning. We're about to head to Sapa in Vietnam. But before we go, we realized we had ice cream left in our refrigerator, so it's time to down these before we go. All right, what flavor do I have? Is it a sun?
Oh, we have strawberry?
I have strawberry. Wow. That's good. All right, guys. Lots of that food. All right. All right, we're gonna head out, guys. Let's go.